JLLT 350 Digital Folding Treadmill, best folding treadmill for most people. The feature set of this folding treadmill is remarkable given its price, with an impressive top speed of 18 km/h and 20 levels of incline to ramp up the difficulty of your workouts. The 2.5 horsepower motor is beefy enough to ensure the JLLT 350 will run smoothly even when you do hit those max speeds, and there are 20 preset workouts you can use to shake up your training. You can fold and unfold the machine using the hydraulic arm, and it is one of the smaller options on this list when folded. However, that is partly as a result of the fact the running belt is quite short at 143 centimeters, so taller users in particular will find it hard to go beyond jogging pace. Life Fitness F3, best gym standard folding treadmill. The benefit of getting a commercial standard machine like the F3 is that you can be absolutely sure it will stand up to the running you do on it at home, since it's a fraction of the punishment it would get in a gym. There aren't a huge range of top-class machines that fold, but Life Fitness's F-range is a good place to look, and the F3 offers a sturdy and reliable option for home gyms. However, it's not ideal for faster runners, because the speed range tops out at 16 km/h. So if your interval or normal running pace goes beyond that mark, you'll need to look at the F1 treadmill, which can hit 19 km/h. For most people 16 km/h will be plenty, though, and the incline can be ramped up to 12% if you do need more of a challenge. JTX Sprint 9, best folding treadmill for taller runners. The Sprint 9 is the top dog in JTX's excellent sprint range, offering essentially a gym standard experience for less than you'd pay from brands like Technogym and Life Fitness. The Sprint 9 can hit speeds of 20 km/h and has an incline range that goes up to 15%, and the large and long 52x 153 cm running belt can accommodate all runners. Naturally, the larger belt means it's a hefty unit even when folded, but it's still less imposing than a treadmill you can't fold up at all, which is what you'd normally have to opt for if you want to get the impressive feature set offered by the Sprint 9. Echelon Stride, best folding treadmill for guided exercise classes. One of the best ways to ensure you'll keep using a home treadmill is to get a connected machine that links to a partner app containing guided classes. Having an instructor on hand to guide you through sessions helps to maintain motivation and ensures you're spending your time on the treadmill efficiently. The Echelon Stride links to the Echelon app, which is full of guided classes to suit all abilities, and those classes extend beyond treadmill sessions to things like yoga and pilates as well. The app subscription is expensive at £39.99 a month on top of what you're paying for the machine, but it can make all the difference when it comes to enjoying your time on the treadmill. You can access the app via your smartphone or tablet using the mount on the Stride's console with a top speed of 19.3 km/h and a maximum incline of 10%. Runners of all standards can get a challenging workout from the Stride, and it folds up far smaller than most machines by virtue of the fact you lower the entire console down to the belt. This means it's very slim when folded, so you can secure it against a wall or inside a cupboard. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links down below the video. Subscribe to the channel.